On this computer. Yes. Yes. So, Pranav, call Shweta if Shweta is there. Your mummy is there. Call. Yes, recording started. I don't know. Let me surprise. Let's see. What surprise?
Sir, can I start?
Yes. Hope everyone is here, right? 1 second. Anybody is missed? Vatsalya, Sharvi, Nischit, Nagashri, Darshil is there, Aditi, Preksha. Yeah, I mean, majority of the people are there. All right, okay. Yep.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Vishesh. Welcome you all for this virtual celebration of Teachers' Day. A warm welcome to our beloved Guru Sir. We begin with this celebration on an auspicious note. A song by Sharvi, followed by a shloka by Preksha.
ಕಲಿಸು ಗುರುವೇ ಕಲಿಸು ಕಲಿಸು ಸದ್ಗುರುವೇ ನೀ ಕಲಿಸು ಸುಳ್ಳಿನ ನಡುವೆ ನಾ ಸತ್ಯವನಾಡಲು ಕಲಿಸು ಸ್ವಾರ್ಥದ ನಡುವೆ ನಿಸ್ವಾರ್ಥಿಯಾಗಲು ಕಲಿಸು ಅಂಜಿ ನಡೆವರ ನಡುವೆ ಧೀರನಾಗಲು ಕಲಿಸು ಧರೆಯ ದೃಷ್ಟರ ನಡುವೆ ಜಾಣನಾಗಲು ಕಲಿಸು ಕಲಿಸು ಗುರುವೇ ಕಲಿಸು ಕಲಿಸು ಸದ್ಗುರುವೇ ನೀ ಕಲಿಸು ಬೆವರಿಲಿಸಿ ಗಳಿಸಿದ ಒಂದು ಕಾಸು ಸಿಕ್ಕ ಹತ್ತಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮಿಗಿಲೆಂಬುದು ಕಲಿಸು ಸೋಲು ಗೆಲುವಿನಲಿ ಸಮಚಿತ್ತದಿಂದಿರಲು ಸೋಲು ಗೆಲುವಿನಲಿ ಸಮಚಿತ್ತದಿಂದಿರಲು ಶತ್ರುಗಳಿಗೂ ಸನ್ಮಿತ್ರನಾಗಿರಲು ಕಲಿಸು ಹಸಿರು ಮಳೆ ಹೂವಿನಲಿ ಧ್ಯಾನಿಸುವುದು ಕಲಿಸು ಜಾಣನಾಗಲು ಕಲಿಸು ಕಲಿಸು ಗುರುವೇ ಕಲಿಸು ಕಲಿಸು ಸದ್ಗುರುವೇ ನೀ ಕಲಿಸು. Thank you, sir.
Wow, beautiful. Nice one, Sharvi.
Thank you.
Well done. Very nice.
Sir, it was very nice.
Yes. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. You had a very good singing talent. That's nice. Why you not switched on your video, Sharvi? It is like
It is
completely
not
blank.
working, sir. I switched on my camera. It's not working.
Oh, okay. Because it's recording. It will be nice, it's come up
Yes,
in the
sir.
camera also.
Yeah, sir. But my camera is not working now.
No problem. Yeah. Thank you. That's nice.
Sir?
Yep.
Hello everyone. I'm Preksha Niranjan and today I would like to talk about the importance of Guru Mantra. This mantra is dedicated to teachers and highlights the importance of teachers. Well, in Sanskrit, the word Guru comprises of two root words, Gu and Ru. Gu means darkness and Ru means remover. Thus, Guru means a teacher who removes darkness and brings enlightenment. The mantra goes like this. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. It means, praise to you, O my Guru, who is the Brahma, the creator, who is the Vishnu, the preserver, who is the Maheshwara, the destroyer. With this knowledge too, you are the Parabrahma, the supreme God or the absolute truth. My salutations and obeisance to you, Shri Guru. Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Wonderful. Very nice, Preksha. Good. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
As you know, a teacher is one who believes in you, who tugs and pushes and leads you. Now let us hear what Aditi has to tell, and followed by Akshobhya.
Teachers are like trees who give us shadow of education. Hello everyone, myself Aditi here to speak a few lines on importance of Teachers' Day. In India, Teachers' Day is celebrated annually on September 5th to mark the birthday of the country's former president, scholar, philosopher, and Bharata Ratna awardee, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was born on this day in 1888. He believed that teachers are the best minds in the country. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan served as a teacher for almost 20 years and was the man behind many successful people. He built a university which is presently named after him as Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan University, where he had educated thousands of students. Teachers' Day is a celebration of teachers, mentors, and guidees. In India, Teachers' Day is celebrated on September 5th every year since 1962. UNESCO proclaimed 5th September to be World Teachers' Day in 1994. So, not only in India, but throughout the world, Teachers' Day is celebrated on this day. I would like to wish our budding mentor Guru Sir a happy Teachers' Day. We all learn from each and every person. So, I would also like to wish all my budding buddies a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Thank you. It was nice. Very nice. Thanks,
I request
Aditi.
Akshobhya to share his views now.
ನಮ್ಮ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಗುರು ಸರ್, ವಿ ವಿಶ್ ಯು ಅ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ಗುರು, ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಡೇ. Guru Prasad sir, a great birder, photographer, nature enthusiast, and a teacher. We feel proud to have a teacher like you. Till now, it has been a great experience as a student of you. You conduct these classes just to spread awareness of the birds and even conduct outings just for us, and also give your time leaving all your other things behind so that we can learn something of birds and nature. Indeed, we have gained a lot of knowledge from you, sir. I always be waiting for this interesting stuff to learn more and know more. Now, let's go on further to hear a beautiful poem on Guru sir. Guru sir, a nature enthusiast and a photographer, an active birder and our beloved teacher. He takes us for an outing just for a peaceful birding. When we go for an outing, he has a cap on his head and a camera in his hand. Trogon and Monon, but don't forget the best jodi, Kempamma and Kempanna. At last, we all say together, Mara Belisi Nadu Ulisi. Thank you.
Wow, beautiful, beautiful narration. Who did this poem? You only prepared it?
Ma'am, my innovation.
Wow, that's nice. That's nice. Beautiful. Good. Thank you, Akshobhya. Very nice.
Welcome.
It's really
As
made
you
my
all-
day today.
As you all know, we eagerly wait for our monthly outing. Now let us hear what to say with her video.
Good afternoon, sir, and my dear friends. I wish sir a very happy Teachers' Day. I take this opportunity to talk about birdwalk. Our first birding was to university. We all were very excited as it was our first bird one. We had a great experience. We saw many birds there. We met all our birding friends for the first time. We tried to spot the birds and identify them. The second outing was to Sulikere Lake. The place was very cool. Baya, we were building nests and we were excited to see all that. As there we know the unique way of building nest upside down, we all were spellbound. We saw many grain-eating birds. Our third birding was to Siddhadevara Swami Hill and Savandurga Forest Patch. It was a very nice and the best one. So every time we go anywhere, we'll keep having new things learning there. We walked around the forest patch and trucked the hill. We enjoyed and gave the potluck of snacks. We look forward for many more outings with lot of learning. These outings given best relief and helped us to connect with nature. I can say we are lucky for having such class and for having a sir like you. You are very friendly and enjoyable. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Good one. Thank you, Nagashri. Thank you very much. Very nice. Very nice. Wow. It's very
Sir, I
interesting.
had
I
a
didn't
video.
expected it. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's
I had a
nice.
video.
Yeah. You can share the
It's
screen.
not a surprise, sir.
So one
Actually,
minute.
That's beautiful, amazing. I really liked it. What a surprise, man. You
So
guys
one
are
minute.
really made my day today.
Sir, seems like, but still I gave you a clue to guess what I did, sir. Sir, because that day I asked you what is your favorite bird, no, sir. That's why.
Oh, okay. All right.
Sir, Sadhya, you couldn't identify it. Otherwise,
You sharing the video, Nagashri?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Sure.
Sir, are you able to see?
No, not shareable.
Oh, 1 minute, sir. Screen. So now?
Yep, now it is popping up.
Yes, sir.
No, this is the university one. Solikere Lake, yeah.
sir, this also University Gandhinagar.
Correct, correct. Good one, good one. Thank you. That's nice. That's nice one.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. All right. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very
Sir,
much.
it's still there.
Yeah, still there. Okay, go on, please.
We
Eager
have
to
a
see.
story by our storyteller Dia.
Wow, it's very interesting.
Hello everyone, my name is Dia and I am going to say the story of Teachers Day. Before moving forward, I would like to wish our sir Happy Teachers Day, sir. The story behind Teachers Day goes that when Dr. Radhakrishnan took the office of the second President of India in 1962, his students approached him to seek permission to celebrate September 5th as a special day. Students put on performances, dances, and host elaborate shows for their most loved teachers. So I would like to end this with a short quote. I have always felt that the true textbook for the pupil is his teacher, Mahatma Gandhi. Once again, happy Teachers Day, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Dia. So you are become a storyteller to everyone now. So everybody is recognized you as a storytelling kid. That's nice. Good, good.
Last but not the least, we have a surprise from Akshad.
Wow. What about Mr. Tabla Nani? No? Okay.
Good
Yeah.
afternoon to everyone here, and a very happy Teachers' Day to Guru sir. Now, the surprise is I am going to play some bird calls on my piano. So first, let's start with our Ashiprinya. This is Ashiprinya. Second comes our beloved raptor, Black Kite. Third is our purple rump sunbird. Next is our common bird everywhere we can find. It is the rose-ringed parakeet. And next comes falcon. Next is common iora. Next is house sparrow. Next is hawk. Next is Indian bushlark. Next is blue-faced malcohar. Next is common rock pigeon. And last but not least, it is barn owl. Thank you.
Wow, amazing, Akshay. That's nice. How did you? I mean, how did you learn this? To making this sound, the the bird sound using this using your musical instrument.
Sir, it is randomly there, like, in the name of pigeon. And only two was there, which was already stored in the piano. One is Ashiprinia, one is sunbird, one is sparrow, and one is pigeon.
Okay, that's nice.
Rest
That's
are
nice.
custom.
Very nice, beautiful, man. I liked it. That's creative. I
Thank
think
you, sir.
you made very creative gesture to me today. I'm thrilled. Thank you so much.
I request
Yes.
everyone who has made their Teachers' Day card to show now.
Wow. Let me take a screenshot of this. Give me a moment. Okay, I want everyone, everyone's photo. You stand like this and take a photo and send it to me. I need to update in my status. This beautiful.
Okay, sir.
Who dropped that Malabar Dragon? That's nice, Akshobhya. Very beautiful. Very beautiful.
Sir, I have drawn.
Which is that?
Tricolor munia.
Tricolor munia. Hey, this is amazing, yeah. It's very nice. Very
An
nice.
oriental magpie robin.
Wow.
Sir, I tried to do even the fire-tailed sunbird.
Which one?
Fire-tailed sunbird. Can you see it, sir?
Fire trail sunbird. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. Nice one. Good.
We'll end this celebration by the vote of thanks by Preksha.
Now that we have come to the end of the program, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude towards Reshma ma'am for organizing the program and for guiding all of us. On behalf of all my friends, I would also like to thank Guru Sir for being a wonderful teacher and for spending his precious time with us, enriching us with knowledge and becoming an inspiration for all of us. Thank you one and all.
Beautiful. Well done, guys. Well done. I think I really need to thank for Reshma madam, support for this and giving guidance to you guys. So I'm really thrilled. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Welcome, sir. Sir, I request you to share your address, postal address, so children can post the card to you.
Oh, sure, definitely.
Those who are not done, they can do some card, creative card, and you can post it to sir.
Yes, we need to do that. Yes,
I'm
definitely.
really sorry, I could not include Pranav because he is with you.
Okay. No problem.
Caste was secret, I couldn't involve him. Sorry,
That
Pranav.
he was surprised, surprised to see what's happening. Good.
Thank you
But-
so much, sir.
Yeah, thank you. I'll share that address. I think that was one of the beautiful activity we did, right? Sharing the letters. I think I don't know, few of us not got. Yeah, few of them is not got, but keep sending that. Let's make a practice of sending these letters, so that we'll continue our momentum. So that it's kind of a nice activity to once in a while we need to do that. Okay, good, interesting.
Sir,
So
one more suggestion.
Yeah.
We can write down the children's date of birth, and when the
Yes.
birthday is there, we can say all can send to the child one card, birthday card.
No, that's good
We
suggestion.
can create something and send.
Exactly, and anything related to the birds only. At least some creative arts
Yes.
related to the birds. Let them send it out. Yeah, that's beautiful. Yes. I had it in my mind. I could have, yeah. I mean, like, thanks for updating, madam. We'll definitely do that. We'll create a database for all our kids' birthdays, and we'll give some kind of a surprise gift to everyone.
Sir, before that, sir, first tell when is your birthday, sir?
My
Sir's
birthday is already over.
Yes, sir.
Over.
Sir, 3 days ago.
September 1st was my dad's birthday.
Yeah, I knew
Yeah.
4 to 5 days ago, but I didn't knew the date.
Okay. It's September 1st.
Okay.
Okay, let's collect the informations. I think it is good. So, and let's make this as a practice. So it will be very nice. Good. Thank you, everyone. Vishesh and Preksha, your speech notes, it's fabulous. It's very nice. And thank you, Nagashri, for making the beautiful collage of all the pictures and presentation. Akshobhya, thanks for your lovely poem and song. It's very nice. And Dia, storytelling. And Aditi, thank you very much. And Akshaj, it is beautiful. And Sharvi also, thank you very much. I really liked it. Okay, good guys. So is it over? So Teachers' Day celebration is over and class is also over. Let's go up. All right. Okay. So so let me just share my screen and stop this recording. Okay.
Okay, sir.